Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Today we are going to take some problems on orthogonal matrix. So first problem is, show that the matrix A is equal to cos theta 0 sin theta 0 1 0 minus sin theta 0 cos theta is an orthogonal matrix and hence find A inverse. Or sometimes question may be there, examine whether matrix A is orthogonal, and if orthogonal then find its inverse. So when matrix A is orthogonal, what is the definition of orthogonal matrix? A square matrix A is said to be orthogonal if A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. Okay, so we have to take here A into A transpose first and check whether this A into A transpose is equal to I or not. If this condition is satisfied, then we can say that given matrix is orthogonal. So A into A transpose is equal to, write down first matrix A as it is, that is cos theta 0 sin theta, then second row is 0 1 0, third row is minus sin theta 0 cos theta into A transpose. A transpose means write down transpose of this matrix. So how we write transpose? Interchange rows and column. जो first column है write as a row, that is cos theta 0 minus sin theta, then second column that is 0 1 0, and third column of first matrix is the third row, that is sin theta 0 cos theta. So this is the transpose of matrix. Now if we take multiplication of these two matrices here, then we will get cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta, plus 0 into 0 is 0, plus sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta, then cos theta into 0 is 0, plus 0 into 1 is 0, plus sin theta into 0 is 0, then cos theta into minus sin theta, that is minus sin theta cos theta, plus 0 into 0 is 0, and plus this sin theta into cos theta. Okay, then second row is 0 into cos theta is 0, plus 1 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into sin theta is 0, then middle one is 0 into 0, that is 0, plus 1 into 1 1, plus 0 into 0 0, then 0 into minus sin theta is 0, plus 1 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into cos theta is 0, then minus sin theta into cos theta, that is minus sin theta cos theta, plus 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 is 0, and cos theta into sin theta, so plus cos theta sin theta. The next one is 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0, then minus plus sin square theta plus 0 plus cos square theta. So after simplification, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, this is 0, minus sin theta plus cos theta get cancelled here, this is 0 0, this is 1, this is 0, minus sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta is 0 0, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So what is this? This is equal to I. Similarly we can write A transpose into A is also I, and therefore from this we can say that matrix A is an orthogonal matrix. Matrix A is an orthogonal matrix, and therefore if matrix is orthogonal, then what is its inverse? So its inverse is equal to its transpose. And what is the transpose of given matrix? That is cos theta 0 minus sin theta, then 0 1 0, and sin theta 0 cos theta. So this is the inverse of given matrix, because that matrix is orthogonal matrix. This is given in problem. So next problem is, determine A B C if matrix A is equal to 0 2 B C, A B minus C, A minus B C is an orthogonal matrix. Means given that matrix A is orthogonal, and using this we have to find the values of A B C. So here, given that A is an orthogonal matrix, given that A is an orthogonal matrix, and therefore A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A equal to I. This is given in problem. So take any one condition. Suppose if you take here A into A transpose is equal to I, this is given, and using this we have to find ABC. That is, if we write matrix A here, that is 0 2B C, then A B minus C and A minus B C into A transpose of this matrix is 0 A, then 2B B minus B and C minus C equal to I, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, now if we take multiplication of these two matrices and equate with RHS, then we will get here 0 into 0 is 0 plus 2b into 2b, that is 4b square, and plus c into c is c square, then 0 plus 2b square minus c square, then 0 minus 2b square plus c square, then 0 plus 2b square minus c square, then a square plus b square plus c square, then this a square minus b square minus c square, then 0 minus 2b square plus c square, then a square minus b square minus c square, and here a square plus b square plus c square equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is given in problem. Now we have to find ABC. So for that we want three equations in terms of ABC. So how we write that equations? By equality of matrices, if we equate LHS with RHS, then we will get distinct equations. So here 2b square minus c square, or we can write 4b square plus c square equal to 1. This is one equation. Then next one is say 2b square minus c square, 2b square minus c square equal to 0, and take one distinct equation, say this a, this is, that is a square plus b square plus c square equal to 1. So after solving these three equations, then we will get ABC. Now how we solve this? If we take addition of these two, then this c square get cancelled. 4b square plus 2b square is 6b square is equal to 1 plus 0, that is 1. So b square is equal to 1 by 6. Using this we can write b is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 6. This is the value of b. Okay, now use this equation, try to find c. So since 2b square minus c square equal to 0, and therefore c square is equal to 2b square. Now what is the value of b square? B square is 1 by 6, so 2 into 1 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 3. So c is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Okay, c is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3, b is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 6 put here, and therefore a square is equal to 1 minus b square minus c square. So b square is 1 by 6, that is 1 minus 1 by 6 minus c square is 1 by 3. So after simplification, what is this? If we take 6 LCM here, then we will get 6 minus 1 minus 2 upon 6 is equal to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. So a square is equal to 1 by 2, and therefore a is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Okay, so these are the values of ABC. Means if matrix is orthogonal, then we can find ABC easily. Now you can solve remaining problems. Okay, suppose question is there, examine whether matrix A is orthogonal, then only check A into A transpose is equal to I, or show that matrix is orthogonal, then check this condition. So this is very simple topic. And suppose given matrix is orthogonal, given A, and then find ABC, then use this way. Okay, thank you.